Hi everyone. We're going to work on these three problems using the addition law of probability. So we'll get started. Here are the formulas we're going to use to solve these problems. So we're going to start with number one. We want to find probability of A given probability of B or probably A or B, and probability of A and B. So we'll just use this formula here. Probability of A or B equals probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. So fill everything else. We have this as 0.9. We don't know probability of A yet. Probability of B is 0.6 minus probability of A and B is 0.2. So this is going to be 0.9 minus 0.6 plus 0.2 equals the probability of A. So this is going to be 0.5 equals the probability of A. All right, and number two. So it's the same kind of thing. Let's write down our formula. So, they have X this time. So let's write it with X. Probability of X or Y equals probability of X plus the probability of Y minus the probability of X and Y. So this is what we're trying to find. So fill everything in. Probability of X is 0.3. Probability of Y is 0.5. And probability X or Y is 0.4. So what we get is probability of X and Y equals 0.3 plus 0.5 minus 0.4. So that's going to give you 0.4. Now, the last one says if A and B are mutually exclusive events, so that means probability A and B is 0, and probability of A or B equals probability of A plus probability of B. Find probability of A and probability A and B. So let's use what they gave us. Probability of A and B equals probability of A plus the probability of B. So this equals 0.75. We're trying to find probability of A, and probability of B is 0.35. So basically you're going to subtract 0.35 from 0.75, so you get 0.4 equals probability of A. Now, to do probability of A and B, that's just going to be probability of, where are we? A and B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of, I'm just rewriting this equation, and I should have saved room, so I'm going to just really hurry up and write this, move it over a little. Probability of A and B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A or B. So we get probability of A which was 0.4, plus probability of B, 0.35, minus probability of A or B, and that was 0.75. And this equals 0, which is what we were supposed to get. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.